nanalo kagabi na sina Maria Salvacion, Tisa ng Valenzuela City, at Jonalie Racasa ng Cebu na nakakuha ng 275,000. Ang mga kaganapan sa surprise visit ng Go Bingo sa kanila at ang iba pang naglalakihang papremyo. Mamaya, abangan nyo sa nag-isang bingo ng bayan ng Go Bingo. Mga chef, kasama po natin ngayon si Arman at saka si Luisa na contestant ng Body Shot at yung mga iba pang contestant. Hello, welcome to Fair. So, ikwento nyo, ano ba ang mangyayari sa Body Shot?
Body Shot is the #1 model search in the Philippines, which has produced top models, celebrities, actors, and actresses such as Wilma Dasen, Francine Prieto, Eric Quizon, Rhea Santos, and John Estrada.
Talagang kasama, no? Okay. Okay, so kung gusto namin manood, saan pa makakakuha ng tickets for this?
For further tickets, please call Executive Decisions at 413-6436 or 925-4761.
Okay, once again, please invite them to Body Shot. Kaya ka pala nininervyos eh. Okay, go.
We are inviting everyone to watch Body Shot on June 13. And it is produced by Executive Decisions and Fashion Designers Association of the Philippines and presented by Mega World, Nestita, and Philippine Tourism Authority.
Okay, thank you so much. Good luck sa inyong lahat. At kaya para sa ating final game, Mina! Yes,